Yeah, but you know what? I think the other ones are quicker.
This is 20 quick ones. Drivers. 3, 2, 1, go. One out. Vintage racing at its best.
Oh, I went too.
No, they're all out.
Oh, blue lane, please.
Where's this?
I was going to say before we started this, with lengthening these races, I
This
think
is
we ought
right?
to go to 2.
That's right.
Black, Jeremy.
That's fine.
Right there.
I finally got in a position where I could make a pass. And
All
I made it my
right.
favorite kind of pass.
They've all used
Took
their
myself
freebie.
too.
Drivers.
You did.
Not Russ.
Russ did.
Russ made it.
Except Russ.
Yeah.
I didn't think I needed to say that. 3,
Oh.
2, 1, go.
Discounting me, huh?
No,
Right.
you never go out.
I nerfed it once, I think. It went out.
I don't think they would make it through this though.
Oh, Jim's creeping up.
Everybody's flipping their face by a 10th over their heat races.
That's 2 for me.
He's done.
I'm toast.
Drivers.
Terrible.
3, 2, 1, go.
It was fun racing against him.
Another Rick Carter.
Today we should have just raced till the end, and whoever got the most laps won. Should have had it out. No more than people here.
Yeah, I meant to say before the race started that with lengthening these races, I think we ought to go to 2.
I think we shouldn't have had any in the mains. Just let everybody run until they're 20, so they would get some 20 laps.
Or lap somewhere.
Yeah.
Crash and burn.
We'll have an awful lot of track situations with that kind of scenario.
Yeah.
You might have 15 or 20.
This is a great.
Where are we at in the lap?
Coming to 15. They just completed 15. Got 5 to go. Everybody's down to 6 sixes. Whoa!
I was in 6-5 in the heat race Just kidding,
What's happened there?
3 to go.
Great pass.
Motor's giving up on you, though.
I don't think it's the motor.
2 to go. Oh,
baby.
man.
4-cylinder against that V8.
Is that what my problem is?
White flag. All or nothing, baby.
The 4-cylinder's got a lot more poop up the straight than the 8.
Woo! Good race.
Great, guys.
Great race.